Hello everybody, this is Tulsi and today I'm in Szentendre. So Szentendre is a little city that's away from Budapest and it takes around 40 to 45 minutes to arrive here. I've been to Szentendre before but it has never been on the spring or the summertime. So it's my first time when I'm gonna see all green around Szentendre. I know for sure that this city is very beautiful. So let's go to the city center and explore the city today. Let's go. If you are planning to go to Szentendre from Budapest, you can take Metro H5. Budapest transportation ticket will cover part of this journey till Békásmegyer. You will need to purchase a railway extension ticket from Békásmegyer to Szentendre to cover the rest of the journey, and make sure you purchase the ticket before you get on H5. I see that there's a market happening here today, most likely some kind of weekend market. There are lots of products of handcrafts, jewelry and much more to see actually. And it looks very beautiful happening afternoon. People are outside having their lunch. It looks very beautiful, super beautiful. Let's go and have a walk through it. It's so amazing. I've been to Szentendre twice already and this is my third visit. I've never have I ever seen so many people and so many chairs outside.
Even this one sounds so good.
All sunny and warm. It's all sunny and warm. The sun is outside, clear sky, and it starts raining. Like there's rain on me right now. The Danube is very next to the city center, so if you take a very small walk of like 2 minutes, you're going to come next to the Danube, and we are going to now walk along the Danube, and they have a very nice bank for people to walk. so sunny the other side. I got my ice cream from the store behind, which is called the Centrum, and I have absolutely no idea why it's so popular. There is a very, very long queue. I can show it to you. That's what attracted me to go here. We found an open space next to the Danube where you can go and sit and chill, and we're heading towards there now.
Köszönjük szépen!
So Tony, what are you having?
We're gonna have langosh.
Can you describe it?
Yeah, so langosh is what they call Hungarian pizza. You can see it's fried dough. And this one is sajtos hétfolo. It means it has cheese and sour cream. And I put some garlic sauce and some paprika sauce as well. So yeah, it looks good. It's allegedly the best langosh in Hungary, the one in Szentendre. So we'll see.
Yeah, give it a try.
It's still very hot.
Yeah. If you're interested to see my visit last winter in Szentendre, I'm going to link it here, so click this link above. It's around 6 now and I'm planning to head back to Budapest. It was a very, very beautiful day today in Szentendre. It was very happening. I did not expect the market, and there were so many live music concerts happening. The sun is out. People are enjoying their outdoor time now. So I would say it was a very good experience for me. So if you're in Budapest and you are looking for something very close to the city and to visit something very beautiful as this, then Szentendre can be your option. It's very easy to come over, and I'm going to be heading back, so that's all from my side. If you did like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again on the next video. Goodbye!